Hi guys, so for today I'm going to do some unboxing for what I just recently bought from Lazada, and it's actually from lazada.com.ph. I actually just got these items last 12th of November. Let's see what's inside. Bullet journal notebook, which I will be using, of course, for my bullet journal. It was actually wrapped in a bubble wrap, so as you can see guys, it's well packed, so there's no damage on the notebook. This is actually the ideal notebook that we can use for bullet journaling. Okay. It's soft bound, 160 pages, 100 TSM. You can see that you can put your name on the first page or on the succeeding page. You would be able to see a lot of dots, which measures 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Okay, and at the back there is a pocket where you can actually put your stickers or notes. So as what was mentioned here, it's actually 160 pages. Okay, it also has a pen holder here. It has an elastic band. Okay, and then aside from that, there's also a bookmark here. Okay. Now let's see the second package. Okay, well done Lazada, because the items are well packed, which same goes with the pen. Okay, this is actually a dual tip brush pen. It's also packed with a bubble wrap. So on each pen, on the other side, it would be a brush pen, which we can use for your calligraphy. Okay, and of course same goes with the other tip, but it's actually a pointed or fine tip. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do swatches for this brush pen. To start off with your bullet journal, all you just need is a notebook and a pen. Okay, it depends on what pen you would like to use. I actually bought before this type of pen, but then I saw this one and it's a bit cheaper, and this one is only 12 colors, which I bought here in Maldives, and this one is 24 colors. Okay, I think this one is also not that expensive, because if you're gonna convert it into peso, it's only like 150 pesos. So it's already a 12 colors watercolor brush marker, but it's not dual tip compared with this one. these are all the swatches of my dual brush pen that I bought from lazada.com.ph. And considering that this notebook has a 100 GSM, that means it's not that thick, but fair enough also that the brush pen doesn't bleed on the other side when I use it, except I think if you're gonna put some pressure when using them, like as you can see here. Okay, I think that would be for today, and I'll see you again on my next video once I start with my bullet journal for the month of December. Thanks for watching. Bye!